Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Ab roller is probably one of the most effective and straightforward pieces of equipment you can use to sculpt your core. This simple device can provide an intense workout, targeting your abs, obliques, and even your back muscles. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of ab rollers, exploring their features, benefits, and helping you find the perfect match for your fitness goals. Number 5. Vinsguir Ab Roller Wheel. This ab roller features a dual-wheel design for extra support and stability. It also comes with a knee pad for a comfortable workout. You can enjoy more challenging routines without any hassle. This will target your abs, hip flexors, and back muscles. With regular use, it strengthens your core and low back while reducing the risk of injury. It's a great way to get in shape. Unlike bulky gym machines, this ab wheel is compact and portable. You can take it anywhere to exercise, whether it's your home, office, or the gym. It's convenient and effective. The high-strength stainless steel shaft can hold up to 440 pounds. The ultra-wide design ensures balance and stability, and the handles provide a comfortable grip. It's built to last. This workout roller is more than just for abs, it helps burn fat as well. It's an ideal gift for family and friends, and it comes with guaranteed after-sales service. Enjoy your shopping experience. What we like. This ab roller features a dual-wheel design for extra stability, making it perfect for beginners. It also comes with a knee pad for a comfortable workout experience. If you are looking for a safe and stable ab roller that you can take anywhere, this is the one for you. What people say. This ab roller from Vinsguir is sturdy, smooth, and surprisingly effective. The wheel rolls without wobbling, giving you great control during the movement. The included knee pad is a nice bonus and helps a lot on hard floors. It's simple, durable, and perfect for home workouts. Great piece of equipment for anyone wanting to strengthen their abs. It's well made and the extra wide wheel provides excellent stability, which is a big advantage for anyone just starting out. It rolls smoothly and easily across my carpet and it is effective at isolating the abs muscles as well as arm and lower back and sides. Number 4. Vinsguir Ab Roller Wheel. This ab roller is designed for precision. The slightly rounded wheel provides a more challenging workout, helping you achieve those attractive, defined ab lines. It's a great tool to fine-tune your six-pack. Take your core workout to the next level with this unique design. The ab wheel enhances balance and stability, perfect for advanced exercises. Are you ready for a rock-solid core? Built to last, this ab roller features a high-tensile steel core. The handles are covered with comfortable EVA rubber cotton. It's designed to provide superior comfort and protection during your workout. Safety is a priority with the textured, non-slip wheel. It grips firmly to any floor surface, preventing injuries. You can work out anytime, anywhere with this exercise wheel. Assembly is quick and easy. Simply install the handles, and you're ready to go. Contact us anytime if you have any questions about the product. What we like. This ab roller is designed with a slightly rounded wheel for precision rotations, allowing for more challenging and defined ab workouts. Its sturdy build ensures it can withstand intense training sessions. If you are looking to take your ab workouts to the next level, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This ab roller is built really well, big size, and feels sturdy during use. It gives an intense core workout and you can definitely feel the difference after just a few sessions. The handles are comfortable, and the wheel rolls smoothly. Perfect for home workouts. It is a great tool for exercising my belly muscles at home. It was very easy to assemble. Works just as it should. Grip is nice and does not hurt your hands. Good deal compared to other products out there. Super easy to put together also. Number 3. DMoose Ab Roller Wheel with Elbow Support. This ab wheel roller unlocks the full potential of your core. Its 360-degree design targets your abs and obliques. You will get faster, more noticeable results. With high-density foam elbow rests, ergonomic design and 2 included knee pads, this equipment offers both comfort and long-lasting durability. It is designed to make your workout more comfortable. Experience total control and comfort with the ergonomically designed handles. Say goodbye to hand strain and enjoy longer, more effective workouts. The secure grip keeps you focused on your goals. Enjoy a seamless workout with this strength training equipment. The rubber-coated, wide wheel ensures a quiet, smooth roll on any surface. It is perfect for home use without disturbing others or damaging your floors. Crafted with a sturdy stainless steel frame, this trainer and exercise roller is built to withstand even the toughest workouts. Invest in this high-performance tool that will last, helping you stay on track with your fitness journey. What we like. This roller offers 360 degrees core engagement, targeting all your abdominal muscles for maximum results. The included elbow rests and smooth rolling design provide comfort and ease of use. If you want a comprehensive core workout with added comfort, consider this. What people say. This roller is great. Very easy to find the correct posture for back-hip-pelvis alignment angle. Balancing side to side is almost effortless. Number 2. EnterSports Roller Wheel Kit. This roller is built to last, featuring a robust stainless steel shaft that can handle up to 600 pounds. The wide, non-slip design ensures a smooth and stable workout on any surface. The handle is covered by foam padding, which prevents hands from slipping. Setting up this exercise wheel is a breeze, taking less than a minute. It's also compact and easy to pack, making it perfect for workouts at home or on the go. You can easily take it to the gym, or even pack it in your luggage. This roller is designed to be your personal fitness trainer. It targets multiple muscle groups, including your abs, shoulders, and back, helping you burn calories and sculpt a better physique. It is a great way to get a full body workout. The EnterSports wheel comes with everything you need to get started. Included are resistance bands, knee pads, push-up bars, and an exercise guide. The resistance bands can increase the difficulty of your training, suitable for all levels. This is a risk-free purchase that is sure to become a favorite. It makes a great gift for friends, family, or coworkers. Get yours today and start enjoying the benefits of an excellent abdominal workout. What we like. This roller is designed as your personal fitness trainer, working various muscles targeting your abs, hip flexors, shoulders, and back. It comes with all the accessories you need for a complete workout. If you are looking for a versatile and complete home gym solution, this is a great choice. What people say. The roller rolls smooth and is easy to use. It is sturdy as well, but I am lightweight, just over 100 pounds. The wheel, 4-piece nice sturdy wheel. The crossbar is metal, which is a nice bonus. The handles provide a tough, ergonomic grip, and the wheel itself is wide and stable yet still able to roll out at angles to attack those other abdominal areas. It rolls smoothly and was easy to assemble. The build is sturdy and held up perfectly for my 140 pounds. It really challenges your core in the best way possible, providing a great workout. Number 1. EnterSports Roller Wheel. Looking for a way to carve out those washboard abs? This wheel roller is the ultimate alternative to traditional ab exercises. It's designed to effectively strengthen your abdominal muscles. Tired of unstable exercise rollers? This one features a double wheel design. This provides more stability and reduces wobbling, allowing you to focus on your workout. This strength training equipment is easy to carry. Its compact size makes it perfect for workouts at home, at the gym, or anywhere you go. This roller is ready to use right out of the box. It works on most flooring types, including carpet, tile, hardwood, and gym floors. Want to achieve your fitness goals? This workout roller can help you become a happier, healthier you. Give it a try and see the difference it makes. What we like. This roller features a double wheel design for added stability and is suitable for use on various surfaces. Its compact size makes it easy to carry and use anywhere. If you are looking for a portable and versatile workout tool, this is a great option. What people say. It has double wheels so stability is easy. The double wheel gives this roller more stability than single wheel models. The handles are comfortable and they withstand a large load. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.